Okurugirira ahari Proscovia Nabanja uri kurira Uganda National Oil Company nagira ngo bakashikirira ekitongole echa Oriental Geophysical Uganda Company Limited okubasa kubahweraho ahakora okuchondoza okwa seismic. Nagira ngo eki kigenderire okubasa kubahwera ahakora ibintu bitari mwe na bimwe hari kugira ngo mukore ibintu byabo nibagendera aha Amateeka Agarikurinda abanema otireho n'aba Uganda Wildlife Authority kugira ngo nibakorera mu mwanya oguhikine na namarindiro genyamisha.
So in implementation of this project we comply with the legal and regulatory framework governing the sector. And in that respect, prior to commencement of the works here, we had to undertake an environmental and social impact assessment which was approved by NEMA, and we secured that approval prior to implementation.
Nabanja nagira ngo okuchondoza okubakozire nikija kubahweraho munonga akora ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ari kugira ngo nikija no kwera abantu babo okubasa kwetegereza kurunjo mwanya ogo bari kukoreramo okugira ngo batatahirira batashemerire kutahirira.
We've successfully implemented the work obligations for this block for the first exploration period since we acquired the license. And that supported the minister to grant us an extension through the second exploration period, which we are currently undertaking.
Irene Batebe ori permanent secretary owa ministry ey'obugigabo mwitaka nagira ngo ohireho okukora ahabya amajuta ngo nibija no kushanga ngo bakore emirimo endijo egenderire okubasa kuhwera abantu mu myanga.
We have 6.4 billion we say stacked top oil initially in place. That's the oil in the ground, 6.5 billion stacked tank oil initially in place. Of that, 1.4 billion barrels is recoverable. And those are the facilities we visited. They will be processing the 1.4 billion barrels.
Ogu Agarikire yasima abikora ahabya majuta abo kugira ngo baze kutongoza okuchondoza okuba basize kukora ahari Kasarabani.
Now, throughout the 2 days we visited Kingfisher, we saw the preparations for the development of the 40,000 barrels per day at Kingfisher. We saw that the processes have advanced, the infrastructure is largely up, and we expect by December to have reached key milestones of mechanical completion preparing.
Rusi Nachobe ori kurira public service nagira ngo obwahati naija kugamba byenyine ebyashangireho aha mwanya.
We have seen, we have heard, and we have witnessed everything. And I believe we are going now to disseminate what we've seen, what we've heard, and what we've learned. First and foremost, I want to thank the President of this Republic of Uganda, because it is his wide leadership that has made these projects.
Amina Zawede ori permanent secretary owa ministry ebyakarimagezi nagira ngo okora basa kubona oiro ahamwe na namajuta bija kweraho munonga ahakureba ngo habaho entunguka omwihanga.
We saw the international airport that is almost ready at about 95% ready, and we are going to see cargo planes coming to that international airport in Hoima. The industrial park has potential for so many industries to grow, including ICT.
Alex Nyombi omukuru okurwa Petroleum Authority of Uganda nagira ngo abanya-Uganda bingi obwo hato basize kwetungira na nemirimo amakora agagasha kwa gada saba ahabwa Tire West.